Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Mr. Benjamin has brought grammar books to distribute to the students in his reading class. If he gives each student 5 books, he will have 10 books left over. And if he gives each student 7 books, he will need an additional 20 books. How many students are in the class? Okay, now we can assume X as the number of students in the class. Let me write the stuff over here. Okay, if he gives each student 5 books, now to find the number of books given to all the students in the class, we have to multiply the number of students X and the number of books given to each student, that is 5. So this 5x represents a total number of books given to the students. Okay, when he gives each student 5 books, he will have 10 books left over. So apart from the books are given to X number of students in the class, so he has 10 books left over. Additionally, we have 10 books. So when you add the 10 to this expression represents the number of grammar books he has brought to the class. Okay, now let me consider the other information. If he gives each student 7 books, he will need an additional 20 books. So when he gives each student 7 books, to find the number of books given to the students, we have to multiply the number of students X and the number of books given to each student, that is 7. But when he gives each student 7 books, he has a shortage of 20 books. So that means shortage means I have to write negative 20 over here. So when he gives 5 books to each students, he has the 5x represents the total number of books given to the students. Apart from that, he has 10 additional books. So this expression gives the number of books he brought to the class. But when he gives 7 books to each student, so he needs additional 20 books because there is a shortage of 20. So now this expression represents the number of books Mr. Benjamin has brought to the class. So both these expressions represent the number of grammar book Mr. Benjamin has brought to the class. So they must be equal to each other. So now we have to solve for x in this equation. So first let me subtract 5x from both sides. When I do so, this positive 5x and negative 5x will cancel out. Then I'm getting 10 equals to, so when I simplify this one, I'm getting 2x, negative 20. Now let me add 20 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 20, positive 20 will cancel out. I'm getting 30 equals to 2x. Now let me divide both sides by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So that is I'm getting 15 equals to x. Okay, now I got the value of x. Actually, the x represents the number of students in the class. So there are 15 students in the class.